Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone screen dims while playing PUBG in your iPhone. So whenever you are playing PUBG, your iPhone screen gets dim. So here is the fix. For this, the first fix is disable true tone. For this, go to settings, tap on display and brightness. Now scroll down and disable true tone. Turn it off, just turn it off option. The second fix is turn off auto brightness. For this, go to settings again, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size. Now locate the auto brightness and turn it off. If the auto brightness is turned on, turn it off. The third fix is choose a dark theme. For this, go to settings home page again, tap on display and brightness again. Now select a dark theme and ensure it is not set to automatic. If it is set to automatic, turn it off. The fourth fix is disable attention aware. Go to settings home page again, tap on accessibility. Now tap on face ID and attention. And now turn off attention aware features. If it is turned on, simply turn it off. So that's it. These are the fixes. These are the methods which you can try to fix the issue of PUBG mobile screen dims in your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.